In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the pen feature in Google Slides. This handy tool can be a great addition, especially when you're presenting and need to call attention to specific details on your slides. We'll walk through this step by step to ensure you can easily use the feature in your presentations. First, let's start by heading over to Google Slides. Open your web browser and type in Google Slides, or simply follow a link if you have it conveniently bookmarked. Once there, sign into your Google account. If you're not logged in already, use your credentials to gain access. It's essential to be signed in because this enables you to create, edit, or access your existing presentations. Upon logging in, you'll find yourself on the Google Slides homepage. Here, you'll see a list of your recent projects along with options to start something new. For today's demonstration, we're going to create a new presentation. Click on Blank Presentation to open a fresh canvas. This will allow us to explore the pen feature without any distractions from existing content. Now, with your blank presentation open, direct your attention to the toolbar at the top. Click on View. Doing so will present you with an array of viewing options. From this list, select Slideshow. What happens here is your presentation becomes full screen, simulating the environment where you'll be using the pen tool during a real-life presentation. Once you are in the slideshow view, focus your attention towards the bottom left corner of your slide. This area is key because it contains an assortment of options to enhance your presenting experience. You'll find a small menu with various controls. Navigate your cursor to this bottom left area is where you'll start interacting with the options. After locating these controls, click on the three dots. This action will reveal more options, and it's here that you'll find the feature we've been building up to, turning on the pen. Look for the option that says turn on the pen and select it. With this feature activated, your cursor will transform into a pen when you move it over the slide. Using this pen, you can draw, underline, or encircle parts of your presentation that you wish to highlight. It's as simple as dragging your cursor across the slide, just as if you were holding a real pen. And there you have it, a straightforward yet powerful tool that can significantly boost the interactivity of your presentations. And that's it, you've successfully learned how to navigate your way through Google Slides to employ the pen feature effectively. Whether you're teaching, presenting, or demonstrating a concept, the pen adds a tactile level of engagement that can help emphasize your points clearly. Now, you're all set to take your slideshows to the next level with this dynamic tool.